Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This week I've got a real treat for you all. I'm going to be showing you the exact steps that I took to find the first product that I ever sold with Amazon FBA. And that product actually generated me around £15,000 worth of profit within the first 3 months of me selling it. So it is a real strategy and tip that you do not want to miss out on. But before we do get into that, I've also got a little exciting announcement to make. This Thursday at 7 p.m. UK time, I'm going live. I'm going to be doing another live Amazon FBA training session. The link for that is going to be in the description below. But in a nutshell, it's going to contain everything that you need to be able to get started selling with Amazon FBA today. So we're going to be covering the 5 steps that I recommend you take to discover, source, and launch all sorts of profitable products. We're going to be covering mistakes that you should avoid if you want to avoid failure. And we are also going to be doing prizes. There's going to be cash gift card giveaways. It really is going to be a fantastic session. So if you're not doing anything this Thursday at 7 p.m, I would encourage you to click the link in the description box below, register, and I will see you there. Okay, so let's now run through the exact method that I followed to find my very first golden product way back in 2018. And although I did use this method a couple of years ago, it still is a very valid one to follow. Not many people really do it, and it is a fantastic way actually at finding and spotting new products that haven't quite made it properly onto the Amazon UK platform yet. So the first thing you need to do is head on to amazon.co.uk, and just to find a random product idea, I'm just going to use the AMZ Scout plugin. This plugin's got a really cool feature actually, where you can just press here, niche idea, and it will load up a completely random product niche, which I think is quite neat if you're kind of struggling for a point to start at. I kind of do it occasionally when I'm lacking a bit of inspiration. So we have just loaded it now, and it has loaded table numbers. I'm not quite convinced just from my very kind of quick thinking of whether that would be a good product to have or not, but that is not the point of what we're going to be doing. That's not the point of this method. So if we now load up AMZ Scout again, I'm just going to use it to basically pull up one of the suppliers of this product that's loaded here. So if we press this button here next to this second listing, and then we go over to find on Alibaba, we can click that, and what it should do is do a reverse image search to basically tell us suppliers of similar looking products on Amazon. So the actual product that I clicked on there seemed to be this one here, which is kind of like numbers. It wasn't actually table numbers, it looks like door numbers or something. But in any case, you can see that it's kind of worked. It's kind of pulling up similar looking products. I don't think they're quite the same, but what we're going to do now is we're going to click into one of them, and the next thing we're going to do is press contact supplier. Now you might be thinking, why would I want to do that? I'm not really actually interested in this product. Well, let's just say, for example, that you'd done that kind of that process there that I followed a couple of times, and you found a product that you thought looked reasonably interesting. Whether you think it looks amazing or not, I would really encourage you to do this. You need to click onto the listing itself within Alibaba, then you press contact supplier, and then this is the killer tip that I actually did all those years back. You message the supplier and you say, hello, my name is Jansen, or whatever, emailing from Jansen Brands, or the name of your company. We are very interested in your products, and we'd really like to see what else you sell or what other products you have coming up that aren't on Alibaba yet. So the exact question that I said is, please can you send me your latest sales catalog, and also can you let me know if you have any new models or any new products coming out in the next few weeks or months that other people don't know about yet. And you will be so surprised at the responses that you get. Sometimes you might not get like that, that much new information, new products, but more often than not, they will send you a catalog that is an absolute goldmine. And I actually do still have the catalog, one of the very first catalogs that I received when I very first did this. And I didn't actually go down the route of selling the posture corrector, believe it or not. I have spoken quite a lot about that product on this channel before, but you can see here, this catalog is for all sorts of products to do with back pain relief, joint pain, etc. And this is basically what I did. So I emailed a posture corrector supplier and said, please send me your catalogue. Please send me any new products that you've got. And they sent me this. So look at this. This is 40 pages. And, you know, you really could get lost here in all different new product ideas that you may not have come across before, or that may not have shown up on AMZ Scout or whichever database that you're using. So that's kind of like my first mini technique that I'd advise you guys to follow. And this is, like I say, the exact steps that I took. These are the exact steps that I took to find the first product that I wanted to sell. But I did go an additional step. So the product that I did want to sell was within the beauty niche, and the products within the catalogue that I was looking at were quite repetitive versus what was on Amazon already. So I said to the supplier, do you have any new models coming out? Are there any like different colors that you've got that aren't really on Alibaba or on Amazon yet? And they said, actually, yeah, we've got this new model coming out in the next few weeks. And that is exactly how I did it, guys. I basically got sent as a sample a product that hadn't even made it onto Amazon UK yet before anybody else, because I used my initiative of saying, please just show me anything that hasn't quite made it into your catalogs yet. So that is my golden tip, my golden 2 tips. Whenever you're doing product research, whether you think the product looks good or not, I would encourage you to follow the steps that I've just taken there if you're kind of struggling for what to do. So find a random niche on Amazon, find the supplier on Alibaba, and then message them and just say that you're looking to place a big order, but you want to know what other products they sell and what products they are looking to sell that aren't quite out yet. So there you go, guys. Please do follow that and let me know in the comments if you find any killer products. And just as another reminder, remember this Thursday, 7 p.m. UK time, it's my completely free Amazon FBA training webinar. There's going to be prizes. We're going to have a load of fun. What better things are there to do? Maybe the football, but England aren't playing. So come and join me Thursday at 7 p.m. The link is in the description below. Otherwise, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.